Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Cash App under 18 accounts. For example, if you are under 18 and if you want to create a Cash App account and it doesn't allow you when you put your date of birth, then how you can fix that. So if you want to know more about the Cash App under 18 accounts, then what you have to do, you have to simply search for Cash App under 18, and you can see that everyone 13 and up can start using Cash App, which means you can simply start the Cash App account by just simply sponsored account, which means if you have a parent or any adult relative, then you can simply contact them and ask them to sponsor your Cash App account, and after that you can simply use the Cash App if you are even under 18. Moreover, you can also use the family accounts, which means if your parents or anyone in your family has the Cash App account, then you can simply request them to add you in your family accounts, which means they have to sponsor you in Cash App accounts. In this way, you can simply use the Cash App account if you are even under 18. So you have to make sure that you are connected to a trusted 18 plus account which have created on Cash App, and after that you can be able to create account on Cash App even if you are under 18. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.